he can challenge the hegemony. Like the meaning I found in this poem. So phoenix without her wings, so she can fly with privilege again. So she wants to create her own identity, pristine identity, autonomous identity, which is not given to her. So in total, I cited 4 poems here as sample. सबैमा मिनिङ के छ भने यस संसारमा हामी मान्छेको महत्त्व के हो त, हामीले गर्नुपर्ने हाम्रो ड्युटी, हाम्रो रेस्पोन्सिबिलिटी के हो भन्ने कुरा निकै प्रश्नमा दिएको छ। एउटा पोएममा मान्छेको जीवन र पुस्तकलाई तुलना गरिएको छ। एज द बुक इज मेड अफ मल्टिपल पेजेस, आवर लाइफ इज मेड अप अफ मल्टिपल डेज, पार्ट्स, फेजेस, एन्ड सिंगल पेज इज भेरी मच इम्पोर्टेन्ट। So as the ladder is made of multiple stairs, to reach up stair, we must climb all these stairs. If we miss only one stair, we cannot reach. So that's why. So her message for we reader is very much eye-opening, very much heart-touching. We cannot ignore her as a novice poet. She has done very good effort.